What if I told you that the greatest secret of transformation has been hiding inside an egg? Not a chicken's egg, but an egg of the philosophers, an object of legend, mystery, and divine symbolism. In an ancient letter to the alchemist Bernard Trevisan, a fellow seeker challenges his understanding of the black swan, the elusive mercury, and the very foundation of the great elixir. This is no casual debate. It's a surgical dissection of nature's secrets. The philosopher's egg is described as a perfect, round vessel, holding two natures within one shell, the body and the spirit, just like the white and yolk. Through fire, putrefaction, and an unbreakable union, it generates new life, just as an egg gives birth to a chick. The text explains that before you can create the elixir, the fabled stone that transmutes base metals into gold, you must first bring your matter into a round spirit. The volatile and the fixed must marry into one essence, each purified of its corruptions. The egg is not just a chemical mixture, it is a hermaphroditic being, holding both masculine and feminine qualities. It contains within itself the seed, the nourishment, and the soul for its own transformation. The alchemist's role? To guide this union through fire and water, through dissolution and coagulation, until spirit becomes body and body becomes spirit. The egg, they say, has nothing superfluous. Remove nothing, add nothing. Everything it needs for transformation is already inside. Here's where the treatise becomes profoundly symbolic. The union of body, spirit, and soul in the egg is likened to the Christian Trinity, three distinct aspects, one essence. The ancient philosophers, it claims, saw in this alchemical mystery a reflection of divine unity. The lesson? True transformation, whether of metals, matter, or the human soul, requires inner completeness. We do not perfect ourselves by adding foreign pieces, but by awakening the hidden perfection already within. So, the philosopher's egg is more than a vessel. It's a mirror, a symbol of creation, balance, and unity. Whether you're a medieval alchemist or a modern seeker, its message endures. Within the shell of your being lies the seed of your own perfection. Crack it wisely.